again. So it's time to look at this nice little wire mess we have here going on here. We have all the signal wires that we don't need right now, so let's see if we can get those a little bit out of the way. We don't need those right now. No, we don't. So let's just put them over and under, I guess, like this, so they are a little bit out of the way. Then we are having the positive and negative of each ESC, and let's try and move some of them a little bit out of the way so that we can take one at a time and actually see what we're doing. So that is one thing that is a little bit sad. Okay, it depends on where you put the ESC. If you put them on the bottom, I guess it won't be a big problem with the positive and negative, but I don't know if you can see it, but if you have it here, it would be nice if they just went like this. But can you see the error? That's right, the positive is on this side, but I have the negative wire on that side, and here the negative is, but I have the positive wire. So I actually have to do like so, swap them. I mean, it's no big deal, it's just, it would be nice the other way, so, like so. And how long, how short, I would like just a little bit more so I can get to it. So I think I will have my cutter, and I will cut them right about here, like so. Always remember to save all the little pieces. You never know when you're going to need it. And then we have the little wire here. That's going to look out for my finger, like so. That's one, and I have tried cutting me on one of these razors. They are very sharp, like so. I'm going to give them a little bit tin, if I can, here in the. Remember to heat the wire up and apply. Heat the wire up. I said heat the wire up a little bit and apply. Like so. So we have applied a little bit of every each. So let's take, I think we take the negative first. Ground, negative, whatever. We have this one in the way. We are just going to see if we can make this a little bit nice. That would be nice. Nice. So I also have to take care I don't hit you guys. Like so. One wire down, 7 more to go. It's a nice, this little B ESC comes with nice wiring. It is I think it's a silicone wiring, nice, soft, I want to say. Ow, that got hot. Like so. That was one down, and remember to check your soldering to see if it is satisfying. And I'm not totally satisfied with my negative one here. Just going to give it a little bit more heat. A little bit. Not happy about that. But we'll make it good. Let's give it a nice heating and let's see if we can get it there. Yeah, that's nice. That's much better. Make sure they don't touch each other or else you will have a short circuit. Like so. Let's take the next one. Oopsie. Again, same issue. I mean, I don't want to go like this all the way. I could make it all the way over here and then like the other one over here, but that would be very messy and unnecessary, I think. So I'll just have to cross them and live with my OCD, or what's it called. But no problem. I'll make so. Find the spot, cut it, save the wire. Okay, maybe I made that one a little bit too short. That would be exciting. And first to see for myself. Sorry for my whispering, but that was just bad excuse, I guess. Need to speak out loud. Like so. So let's see if I made it too short anyway. I sure don't hope so. Shit, that's just to the beer. Hot. Very hot. Okay, cross my fingers. I hope it's not too short. It's just about. I think I can manage. But damn. Note to yourself, do not cut these wires too short. You will just regret it. Just leave just a couple of more millimeters. Or you will have the same scenario as me. I will have trouble tightening this one. Oops, sorry for the boink. See, it is just barely reaching. I think we got it. I didn't want it to swap up. I just wanted it to grab onto it. So, voila. 2 down. And this one is very, very, very close, as you can see. This one is a little bit more nice. I have a little bit of space for it. So, learning by doing. Do not cut it too short. Maybe we can make one more, I guess, or else I just need to end it right here. I don't know. I can cut the both of them so tin them so they're ready for the last soldering next time. Remember, and give it a little bit extra, just a tiny bit. That would be very nice. Like so. And we can cut this one. Hey, get out of the way. So, let's just tin these up and end the video for now. Just a couple of millimeters. No more is needed. When I first started soldering, I was like putting off way too much of the cape from the wiring. And it's like I had to cut some of it off afterwards, so it was just double the work, I guess. No need for that. Yep. Oh, sure. No. No. Oh, you go. Thank you. Like so, and let's just tin it up. Make sure they're nice. One thing a little tip I'm going to give you is if you tin it, when you tin it, be careful, don't do it over electronic like I do sometimes. Don't learn from me. I have once tinned and then some of the tin went down on the electronic because the wire flopped. And let's just say that is not clever and not recommended. Like so. Let's put those two together in the next video. Let me do one more thing before I end it up. I noticed that this one was loose, so I'm just going to hold the screw and tighten it a little bit. Let's do that on all four actually. Like so. Be careful not to over tighten because it is plastic. Plastic and metal over tighten, not good. Like so. We have soldered the two ESCs up here onto the power distribution board, and we've made the other two ready to get soldered. Sometimes I think that sounds Scottish or something. Soldered. So anyway, that's all for now. I hope I see you next time. Take care out there.